Hey friends, if you encounter the error retrieving data, wait a few seconds and try to cut or copy again, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now this happens whenever I try to cut or copy something from Excel online. Okay, the reason is that the internet may be frozen or there may be an issue with the browser, but let us troubleshoot it accordingly. So the first thing is to download an offline copy if you have Microsoft Excel on your system. So click on File, select Save As, and then click on this option, download a copy to computer. Don't click on Save As to OneDrive. That again will be saved online. So click on Download a copy and then open this book in Excel on your computer, and then you can edit it. So the second one is to try another browser. Okay, so if you're failing with, let's say, what do we say, Microsoft Edge, try opening it in Chrome and open it in Google Chrome, and then go to office.com, hit enter, and then try signing in once again. Okay, the last is to check the internet connection speed. Why do I say that? Because you may try different browsers, but if it's not working across different browsers, then the most probable cause will be the internet connection speed. So search for fast.com and hit enter and check the internet connection speed. Was it good enough? If yes, then everything is good. If not, then you'll have to fix the internet connection speed first. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.